lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I do appreciate it. And my beauty month of videos continues. I'm going to be doing another makeup look for you guys today. And while I'm doing one of these makeup looks, I'm still, I would say still, yes, I am still trying to teach myself how to do makeup because I feel like I've forgotten how to apply makeup on my face. But in any case, I'm going to be doing another look today using this Carnival palette from Revolution. Okay, this is what we are going to be using today. Many of you already have this palette. The colors are really, really lovely. Really, really nice. And in every video, I'm going to be highlighting one particular beauty item that I really love to use. And that product today is this B color corrector. This is the Terracotta shade, and this really helps to counteract dark circles for darker skin tone. Love this color corrector. It's different to the Peach Luster from MAC. It's different to the Orange corrector from Revolution. It's different to any color corrector that I've used because this one really does help to really get rid of the dark circles, barely there, and it blends right into your skin. With the orange color corrector from Revolution, you can still see a little bit of orange on your face when you blend it out. With this one, it doesn't do that. It blends nicely into your skin and evens out your skin tone. I do like it, and I recommend this for you guys, and I do have that on my face today. And we are just going to get started with this video, and this is a palette here from Revolution, Tropical Carnival Eyeshadow Palette. Love this. First time using it today. The names of the shadows are on the plastic. And I think I'm just going to start with Spice Island, and then we are just going to get started. So I love this color. It's very, very, very soft, very mellow. Love it. So I'm going in now with this shade called Girlies. It's a purple color. And I'm just going to do just right in the corner here. So I've done a little cut crease right there. And so Destiny, I think it's called, I'm just going to put that on top. Beautiful, gorgeous purple color. Love this shade of purple. It is so pretty, and I have very little fallout, if any, from this shade. It's beautifully pigmented. Lovely, love that. So the eyes are done, and I do like the way this is looking. Not too bold, because I've seen much bolder looks with this palette. But I'm sure if you use something like a glitter glue, it's going to pop more. But I do like the way this is looking. Really nice and soft and subtle, because I don't like to be too dramatic with my makeup. You guys already know that. So I'm now going in with my eyeliner. This is a purple eyeliner. Let me just see if I can find the correct name for you. It's called Deep Wine, and I got this from Amazon. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys if you want to get it. And I'm going to line my waterline, then I'm going to go in with my lashes. The pencil is so soft, guys. Oh my god. I hate to use eyeliner pencil that really, you know, hurts your eye, your waterline. This is really soft. Again, it is from Amazon. This is really, really nice. I like that. So let me go in with my lashes. These are Chan's. I'm going to be putting these on. And this is the 4th time I'm wearing these lashes. And take a look at that. Do you see how beautiful they look? Absolutely brand new. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I take care of my lashes another time. And I already have my black eyeliner glue in the middle of my eyes and to the end. So I always like to put that on a little bit earlier so it can be nice and tacky. So when I put my lashes on, it's going to stick nicely. So you guys already know how I put my lashes on. So let me just get these babies on off camera, and I'm going to pop back in just 1 second. So the lashes are on, and I always like to tap the front and tap the back, just to make sure that they're stuck nicely down. And again, this is the lash glue and eyeliner pen I'm still testing out. I'm going to be bringing that to market soon, but I have to make sure that it's okay with me first. Okay, and I'm hoping that looks okay. Hope you guys can see that. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury foundation I'm just going to be going in with right now. And let me just shake that for a couple of seconds. And I'm going to be using a very small brush, and of course I don't go in with too much foundation, you guys know that. And I'm just going to go straight into blending. I love this foundation. So now I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer. For some reason, I feel like the Tarte concealer is not my favorite. I don't know why. Let me try it again. Let me try it one more time. And I'm going in with very little dots. Just like 3 dots under my eyes. And that's it. I don't want too much of this on my face. I'm going to use this little brush I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to tap and then blend. And I still feel like this 3 dots is too much, but we're just going to blend it out. And do you see how quickly that blended out? Do you see how quickly? This is okay today. Not sure why it didn't work for me the last few times I used it. Maybe I went in with too much. Okay, so I've changed my mind. I like it. And I'm just basically tapping it in. Well, I think I'm happy with the concealer. I'm not gonna conceal my T-zone because I'm not that type of person to do that. No, thank you. Just a little. This is my, this is my Revolution setting powder. Love this powder so much. And I'm going to take this other brush that I got from Amazon. And it's just a lot of flyaway in this. And when I do my concealer, I don't bake. Don't have time. At all. Oh my god, my brushes smell so nice. I wash my brushes with Cream of Nature shampoo and I put conditioner on them. Smells wonderful. Okay, so this is fine. So I am baking and brushing away at the same time. Tap that there and tap it in and brush away. That's about it. This is my Morphe number 10 Filter Effects powder. I'm trying to pan this powder because I love it so much. I'm hitting pan, as you can see. I'm trying to get this one down. Also, my basic brown number 4 powder from Bobbi Brown. I'm also trying to pan this one as well because these powders are really, really nice. And I refuse to go out and buy any more powders until these two are finished. So I'm just going to use an Oscar Charles brush and just powder. Well, that looks all right. What do you guys think? So this is my cheek blush, and this is from Revolution. It is a creamy blush. So I'm just going to, do you see that? Nicely highlighted. Let me use a brush and see if I can blend that out. It doesn't look too bad. That looks all right. I thought this was going to move my highlight on foundation, but it didn't. I'm happy about that. This is from Revolution. And this is my favorite blush from Inglot. I love this because the cover just snaps together. I could just sit all day and go like this, just like snap it together. Same brush, little dab, just to the bottom, right there. And there we be. One little dab. And snap. So let's work on the lips right now. I'm going to be using this lipstick for the first time. This is from Sigma. And oh my god, the packaging, guys. Look at the packaging. Cute, and it snaps as well. Look at that. Snaps in together. Love that. And I love the shape of the top of this lipstick. We are going to be putting this on right now. Let me go in with some lip balm. I'm going to leave the name of this lipstick in the description box for you guys. It is really, really pretty. Love that. And I'm going in with this purple lip liner. And this one is Chestnut. Love that combination. Really nice. This is my Too Faced mattifying spray. Lovely. Okay, my lovelies, this is the finished look of the makeup. What do you think? I got dressed and I threw on some jewelry. I love a hoop earring, I do. And this is the finished look. I do love this palette. Really, really nice. Lovely, lovely pigmented color. And again, like I said earlier, if you do want this, the colors to pop out, you can use like a glitter glue. I've seen so many bold makeup looks with this one particular palette, but I'm not a bold person with my makeup. I like to keep it nice and soft and subtle. Okay, you guys know that already. Beautiful colors. Let me tell you exactly what I use on my eyes. I went in with Spice Island for transition. Girlies I used on the hood, Destiny for the cut crease, Jab Jab in the corner just to give me a little bit of a smokiness, and Soka under the brow bone just to give it a little bit of a lift. And that's all I use. But I think this is one of those palettes I will be definitely reaching for. Many of you already have this in your collection, and I've seen so many beautiful, gorgeous looks with this palette, and I love the way this one has turned out. The star of the show, I always say, is these lashes. These lashes are gorgeous. This is Chance on my eyes. I'm gonna come close, and I'm hoping she's coming across great for you guys on camera right now. She's on nice and snug, beautiful, beautiful lashes, low on the inside, flares beautifully on the outside to give you a little bit of a lift. And this is my 4th time wearing these glasses. This is my 4th time wearing these lashes. They are beautiful. This lipstick from Sigma is just gorgeous. You just do like that and it snaps in. I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys, and I would love to hear your feedback on this makeup look today. I hope it's okay, and I do hope you guys enjoy. All the things that I use on my face is going to be listed in the description box for you guys. And on that note, this is the end of the video. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!